Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows is based on my personal experience with the subject. Runastic, found at runastic.com, serves as a comprehensive hub for fitness enthusiasts. This platform offers a wide range of resources and tools designed to support and enhance your fitness journey, regardless of your current level. From seasoned athletes to individuals just starting out, Runastic provides valuable features and functionalities to help you achieve your fitness goals. The website offers detailed information about various aspects of fitness, including training plans, nutritional guidance, and motivational tips. Whether you're interested in running, cycling, or other forms of exercise, Runastic has resources tailored to specific activities. This platform allows you to delve deeper into the science behind fitness and discover how to optimize your performance. One of the key features of Runastic is its sophisticated tracking capabilities. Users can meticulously monitor their workouts, including distance covered, calories burned, and overall progress. This data-driven approach empowers individuals to understand their fitness levels better and make informed decisions about their training routines. By leveraging the tracking features, you can gain valuable insights into your fitness journey and identify areas for improvement. Runastic also fosters a sense of community by connecting users with like-minded individuals. This platform enables you to share your fitness accomplishments, exchange motivational stories, and participate in group challenges. By engaging with the Runastic community, you can find support and encouragement throughout your fitness journey. Connecting with others who share similar goals can significantly enhance your motivation and dedication. In addition to its web-based platform, Runastic offers a suite of mobile apps that extend the functionality to your smartphone. These apps provide convenient access to the platform's features on the go, allowing you to track your workouts, connect with the community, and access valuable fitness resources from anywhere. The mobile apps seamlessly integrate with the web platform, ensuring a consistent and comprehensive fitness experience. Overall, Runastic is a powerful platform that can help you achieve your fitness aspirations. With its comprehensive resources, tracking capabilities, and community features, Runastic empowers individuals to take control of their health and well-being. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness journey, Runastic offers valuable tools and support to guide you along the way.